scream. What do you want? What do you require?
He's meowing a lot.
He's playing to the camera.
Should I give him a treat?
Yeah, that'd be fun. See if that does anything.
No, he's looking properly not. My God.
Oh, you're going to teach him to climb on you. That's dangerous.
Ready?
Well, he's going to do it a lot, is what I'm saying.
Oh. I'm trying to not.
Because you've also taught him that he can cry for food, and then climb on you for food.
Oh. You need to be very careful with how to treat him, because sometimes I was saying to myself, I should not follow what he wants, because if I give him what he wants, that means he can control me.
Yeah, but at the same time, you got to spoil him a little bit. So